It doesn't even look like I applied anything on my hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tonight I'm going to be reviewing the Softee Naturals Leave-In Lotion. It's a leave-in lotion, obviously. I just finished washing and deep conditioning my hair. I used only honey to deep condition my hair actually. I didn't use my and Jackie's deep conditioner because it has protein, and this leave-in conditioner actually has protein too. It has hydrolyzed keratin and it has hydrolyzed wheat protein. So yeah, I did not use my deep conditioner so I don't risk having protein overload. It also has coconut oil and shea butter, so I'm just gonna use this. I actually got this as a freebie when I bought some products from Natural Hair Avenue a long time ago actually. So yeah, let us just do this. It says apply pure shea leave-in blah blah blah, the normal thing actually. So I'm just gonna start. Okay, I think I should actually start with the front part of my hair because I feel like this leave-in is not going to be enough because it looks small. But let's see. I'm gonna start with the front part of my hair so that in case the leave-in finishes, at least you can see the results from the front. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like after using only honey to deep condition. It's really shiny. So let's see. This is what it looks like. So hard to press out. So it's just a light. It's not too light but not thick at the same time. So yeah, that's the consistency. I'm just gonna apply this on my hair. It has a familiar smell. Okay, it just kind of melts into my hair. It has some honey particles, whatever. It just kind of melted into my hair. So yeah, that's nice. I love the fact that it's not too thick. It's not sitting on my hair. It just really melted easily. So let me see. Okay, slip. I won't say it has a lot of slip, but then my hair is properly detangled, so I can't really tell. But it doesn't feel like it has a lot of slip though. It almost feels like there's just water on my hair, which might be a good thing, might be a bad thing. If you don't properly detangle your hair before washing your hair, then yeah, this is not going to be good for you because it's going to be hard to detangle your hair. But if your hair is properly detangled and you just want something to go in easily and like not show, then this is definitely a good option for you. And it's very light, so if I feel like it's going to, like, my hair is gonna dry on time. So yeah, I'm just twisting this up, and like it looks like there's nothing on my hair. Can you see this? It doesn't even look like I applied anything on my hair. Okay, so I'm going to be a little bit more heavy-handed on this side so I can really see this. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I put a little bit more than I put on the first side. Lord. So let me see. Okay, so even if I'm a little bit more heavy-handed, it's still not as visible as some leave-in conditioners. So I think this definitely melts into your hair, but the slip, no. There's almost no slip at all. I don't want to waste this, so let me just apply it to this part of my hair. So yeah, it melts in, I mean, good to an extent, or it doesn't have a lot of slip. So yeah, this is just what it looks like. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm just gonna twist up my hair, and I'm going to show you the results of my hair in after 2 days. So see if there's any problem with my hair. But this is the result. This is what it looks like. So yeah. Hey guys, so this is 2 days after putting my hair in twists, and I'm just going to take my hair down so that you can see what it looks like. So I'm just gonna spray a little water on my hair. Just apply a little water on my hair because my hair is dry, and I'm going to put in my jojoba oil. Now I'm going to take my hair down. So okay, I'm not seeing any flakes. There are no flakes at all. There's no white cast, nothing. So yeah, I guess this isn't bad. But guys, so yeah, this is what my hair looks like. It's just really stretched. It's not defined. So definitely, if you're looking for something that would give you some definition, this is not the leave-in conditioner to use. Because if you watch my last twist out video, I'm just going to link it here. You can see my last twist out video and see how much more defined my curls were, and I used my contour for that video. But my hair is much more stretched, so if you want a stretched look, then I guess you can use this leave-in conditioner. Okay, so things to note is that this conditioner does not have slip. It doesn't have a good slip at all, but it's very light, so it's something that if you're in a long-term protective style and you feel like you can't take the style down to wash your hair and deep condition and all of that, and you still want to incorporate protein into your hair, you can use this leave-in to put protein in your hair. Or if you're just someone who doesn't like to get their protein from a deep conditioner, you'd rather just get it from a leave-in, then this is also good for you. Okay, so yeah, definitely this is good for that. Or if you just washed your hair and you want to wear your afro out maybe that day, or you can just use this leave-in because it's not thick. It's not going to really weigh your hair down, and it's going to dry easily. And even if you go out your afro, no one is really going to know you have a lot of products on your hair, because it doesn't leave your hair white like most leave-in conditioners, right? And so yeah, it's just a good way to incorporate protein into your hair. Really, it has hydrolyzed protein, so the protein molecules have been broken down and all of that for easy penetration. But you must know that it's not something you can use all the time. So if you have this leave-in conditioner, you definitely need another leave-in conditioner, because if you keep using this leave-in maybe every 2 days, or just anytime your hair goes dry, you might be at risk of getting protein overload, and yeah, you do not want protein overload. So you definitely are still going to need another leave-in conditioner. You can't just have only this leave-in conditioner. Okay, so yeah, this is the result of my hair, guys. It's not as defined as I'm used to, but well, I guess it's not bad. it's just there, really. It's just there. My hair isn't so bouncy. It's really stretched. Like, it's more stretched than it usually is when I do a twist out. So yeah, guys, that is my review of the Softee Naturals Leave-In Conditioner. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video and share this video. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.